Friends, first clean top layer dust, and this video mostly useful for apartment guys because in most of the apartments cleaning with water they will not allow, and also most of the apartments car parking side they won't have water tap. For this cleaning you need baking soda and white vinegar. Remember, white vinegar. Baking soda add into mug and add 2 liters of water. That's enough for whole car cleaning. Now add vinegar into spray bottle. So 250 grams baking soda and half liter vinegar is enough to clean whole car. From now you can understand clearly what I am doing while watching the video. Friends, please watch video till end because the video having so many twists, so don't forget to watch till end of the video. Now stick the newspaper on top of baking soda water. Friends, don't forget to use good quality newspaper, and also don't use local newspaper because for cleaning the car paper quality is very important. Otherwise, newsletters and news advertisements will stick on the car. So better use Hindu, Indian Express, such kind of newspapers. Once you stick the newspaper on top of, please spray vinegar liquid. So you never seen this kind of method because of car soaking is very important. So here you are doing car soaking completely. So it is very easy to remove all the mud because in our household items, vessels, we will soak it and we will wash it. But if you go any car garage or if you are going to wash it, what will happen means soaking is very important. You will not do soaking at all. So that's why your car won't get that much clean. So I soaked car 10 minutes. Friends, not more than 10 minutes. So if you soaked more than 10 minutes means the newsletters and the news advertisements stick onto your car. Don't forget, not more than 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, what I have done means one more round vinegar I sprayed because of it may get little bit dry. So complete whole grease, mud, dust, if anything will come, easily it will come without single drop of water. This is the technique we are using. So after 10 minutes soak, you need to do like this. So next step you can see it what I am doing exactly.